Well, hello everybody. It's Thursday and it's lunchtime. Let's have a look-see here. Turn those guys down a bit. Now, which one are we going to have today? I don't know. Now, let's not have the rice and pasta. I've already done that. That's a repeat. What am I thinking about? Don't like fettuccine, but chicken fettuccine in a savory chicken flavored sauce with other natural flavors. Boys and girls. Oh, refilled my salt. I got another surprise for you. No hillbilly beef today. Chicken from our meat birds. And of course the ubiquitous yogurt. Gotta have that blue bonnet to go on it. Or in it. This one does not require milk, so no milk. A big spoon. A little spoon. Oh, talk about gag me with a poon, man. Oh. Our mechanic escorting on one of the buses back down from the shop. Isn't that lovely? Actually, not so much, but well, quick weather report before I put you on pause. So, we've got about 35 degrees here today. Winds ranging between 25 and 35 and gusts higher. And it feels like it's probably down around 15. Brrr, in the wind. Now, sitting here in the truck, I got the windows mostly closed, and it's nice and toasty warm without running the propane for heat. That was nice and wonderful. I like that. And no coat. When you step outside, you better have that coat on or you're going to shiver. We'll see you in a little bit. Well, what do you say we take a look at lunch? Excuse me. Don't that look good? Wow. Yeah. Chicken fettuccine. All right. Let's. Oh. The man was just talking about it. Remember we got rid of segregation? Now they're wanting to do it all over again. Special schools for Latinos in Washington, D.C. Latinos and Spanish speakers only. I'll be right back with you. Hey, I'm back. I had one of my co-workers here at the bus company show up and wanted a moment of my time. Well, here's lunch. Yeah, it's cooled off a little bit in the interim. And I'll tell you, really good chicken flavor. And having the real chicken in it helps. And the only thing I've added to it was a bit of salt. And it helped immensely. And I mean just a little bit of salt. And look at the real chicken chunks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is another Knor side tasting. This time it's the chicken fettuccine. And pretty good. Never been a fan of fettuccine noodles, but because they never seem to get tender enough for my liking, but maybe that's because it was somebody else doing the cooking. And then again, maybe it's because I don't have so many teeth anymore. But these ain't bad. Well, tomorrow is Friday, and it would be a repeat of the creamy chicken rice, so we are not going to be filming tomorrow for lunch. Oh, I know, you're going to miss out, but we'll see what we have for next week. I may be bringing some other products other than Knor. I have to go into the store myself and take a look-see. But why not? This has been Prepper Emberado with lunch. Peace out.